Why do over 80% of iPhone users complain about Instagram's screen going super bright? It's not just you. Here's how to actually stop it. First up, Instagram itself is usually the culprit, especially when it plays those flashy HDR videos. Here's the fix: open Instagram, tap your profile in the bottom right, hit the three lines up top, then scroll to Settings and Privacy. Find your app in Media, tap Media Quality, and toggle on Disable Display of HDR media. That alone should fix most cases. Still sunburned? Let's tweak your iPhone. Go to Settings, tap Accessibility, then Display and Text Size, and switch off Auto Brightness. Next, in Display and Brightness, turn off True Tone. And for bonus points, under Accessibility, Face ID and Attention, disable attention-aware features. For a quick fix, you can also turn on Low Power Mode. And don't forget to keep iOS and Instagram updated, and give your phone a quick restart if things get stubborn. Summary. So, Instagram settings first, iPhone tweaks if needed, and you'll be scrolling comfortably again in no time.